Alrighty guys, Brothers Motors, y'all know how we do at Brothers Motors. We put on whatever you bring us, guys, we're gonna do it. But let me tell y'all about my customer here. Alright, yes, she went to Cousin Pookie's shop. Now, I don't know if I can blame this on Cousin Pookie or not, as opposed to blaming this on the decisions that Cousin Pookie made. Now, Cousin Pookie was fixing to overheat. But look guys, he went with a Derman water pump. Now, I don't know if it's Dermot or not. I know it's a not good water pump. It's a brand new water pump, guys. As you can see right here, very low, simply because it's leaking. It don't have to be under pressure either. I can just sit here and run it, and it'll start pissing out of here. Now, is there a gasket up in the top area of this? Did he not gasket this right? Do you think I really care to find out if he put a gasket on right? No, we don't work like that. I don't work like that. I want to start from scratch. I want a new water pump with a new gasket. Well, I want a Mopar water pump with a Mopar gasket. Okay, I know a lot of y'all will say something like, man, probably just a gasket, man, don't really need no water pump. Let me tell you something. When my image is at stake on the line, okay, I don't trust nothing nobody else did. I don't care who you is. I don't care if you got an O-ring roll. I don't care. I want a whole new part at that point. Okay, that's just the way I am. I'm not going to take this off and see if the gasket is overlapped, flipped, or whatever, because I don't care. All right, you want this thing fixed? I'm going to give you an estimate on what I think you need to fix it. And in this case, you're going to need a water pump with a new gasket. You're going to need a Mopar. You're going to need some quality parts, okay? This is a Hemi. Y'all know this engine is hell on water pumps. These pulleys, even if it's a Mopar water pump, I've seen these pulleys. It's not noisy because the bearing is new, because the water pump is new. It has failed. Remember when I said, guys, a water pump can fail in 3 ways. Number 1 is leaking. Number 2 is noisy. And number 3 is just simply not putting out. All right, you know what the water pump job is. Just like a heart in your body. It's responsible for pumping and circulating the coolant throughout the cooling system. All right, so this water pump failed in the form of leaking. Is it putting out? Perhaps. Is it noisy? No. So there's only one reason left as to why you should be replacing that. So again, Cousin Pookie obviously just chose a bad parts supplier. I don't know if it's Derman or not. I don't even know if Derman sell water pump. I don't even care. I just know it ain't Mopar. All right, because if it was Mopar, we wouldn't be here today, would we? No. All right, so I gotta hurry and fix this because this lady want her. We gotta put this transmission in that. Damn, I forgot the name of the car. Yeah, look. Yeah, so guys, the parts you choose matters. Okay, let me say it like that. That matters. All right. Yes, you can be the best mechanic in the world, but if you choose bad parts, you're no longer the best mechanic in the world. All right, I gotta go. Just want y'all to know, I'm headed to the dealership right now. I'm at my other shop now. I'm headed to the dealership and they got it setting out for me. So what I'm gonna do is simply go get the parts. Guys, I'll talk to y'all later, man. No sense of recording that. It's just a typical water pump on a 5.7 Hemi, man. Thanks for watching. That's all I have.